And now, the moment that every developer has been eagerly awaiting. What we're going to be doing in this and the subsequent couple of videos is we're going to be showing how you can use the Caption API to integrate audio and video search into your own applications. What we're going to be doing in this particular video is we're going to show the basics of using your API key to make requests to the API. So the most important thing actually is right over here. This is your API key. You get it as soon as you register for Caption, and you basically use it throughout. Now, what does this look like in practice? You see here on the left side that you have a couple of API examples that you can try out. So let's take a look at what we have over here. So this is the first one that we just use to test our API key. And here we actually get the curl command. As you can see, this is the API schema. We call the hello endpoint, and this is the API key. So you just add it as a query parameter. And this here is the expected response. So if everything works okay, if we're able to access the API, this is what we get. Okay. Yay, so this worked. Okay, now for something a little bit more interesting. We can add a video. And here, this is a little bit more sophisticated because we're actually doing a post request, but nothing special either. Okay, and so what's the URL that we're going to be using? Not this one. Let's try out this other one. Okay, pretty neat. So we're actually going to see it if we go over here. We're going to see it in the indexing status. So this is currently processing. And once it's done, like we said in the previous video, we're going to see it in your videos section. Okay, now as you can see, the job is completed, and we can see our new video right over here. Cool. The next thing we're going to try out is a plain search query. And this search query does that. And so this is actually similar to what you've actually seen in one of the previous videos where we were just doing this from the dashboard. So what you get here is you get the search term, and then you get the results. We searched for Voltaire, and so not only do you get the transcript over here, but you also get the timestamps where the keyword Voltaire occurs. Cool. So the other thing that we can try probably is just searching Machiavelli. Nice. And as we can see here, we get the Machiavelli video that we added, and we also get all the timestamps where the word Machiavelli is uttered. All right. What else do we have to try out? Well, we can search just for the full transcript, but we've already seen this. So this is basically it in terms of the API calls. And then maybe one more thing that I would show you is the following. So here, if you've ever used Swagger, we can do Swagger requests on API Caption app.net/Swagger. So what we can do is just take this API key that we have, we can authorize with it, and then we can do, for instance, a hello. Okay. All right, that about sums it up for this video, and stay tuned for the subsequent ones where we're actually going to be using these API endpoints in our own applications. Thank you.